Simplify your workflow with ViXR Surveys online and offline login feature. Online login requires the user to have an internet connection. After the initial login, the user's credentials are saved on their device. The offline login feature is useful while conducting survey in areas with low internet connectivity. For online login, open the ViXR Survey app on your device. Press the Login button to open the login window. This toggle indicates that you're currently online. Enter your email ID and then the password. Accept the terms of service by pressing Agree. Tap the Login button to sign into your ViXR account. For offline login, toggle the switch to offline mode. Then, enter the credentials saved on your device in order to log into your ViXR account and access all your surveys.